Hey guys, and welcome back to Mesha's Corner. So today I'll be making some dinner, so let's get started. So what I'll be making today is I have some grouper. This is a grouper steak. It's a fish. I've never made it myself, but I've had it and I like it, so I'm making it today. Someone might be looking for that recipe, which is perfect. On the fish, I'm going to be using the Keto gourmet seafood seasoning, as well as with all of this lemon, garlic, and thyme. It's going to be very lemony because it's a kind of like a thick fish, and you know, you really want to get flavor down in there, and this is the purpose of the video anyway. Then over here I have broccoli, and I'm going to roast it in the oven and maybe sprinkle on a little cheese at the end. And I'm using the Keto gourmet collard green seasoning. It says collard green, like I said in previous videos, but it can be used on any green. So yeah. Alright, to save time, I already did one side. Then you're going to take it and put it on the other side. With this spice, you do not need salt. However, use your own discretion. If you want more salt, you can add it, but you do not need salt with this spice. That was pepper. My hands are a little messy, so that's why I held it all crazy. You want to get it all over the fish. This is a thick piece of fish, and it's enough for 2 people. Once I end my video, of course, I'm going to cut it right down the middle, but I need to show y'all how to cook it this way. Alright, got my hands nice and washed and cleaned up. To the broccoli, you're going to sprinkle on, you know, you have to melt down your coconut oil. I'm using coconut oil. You got to sprinkle on a little just so your spice can get around. Then you're going to put the collard green seasoning right down on there. You don't need too much. A couple tablespoons will suffice. I mean, a tablespoon or so will suffice for this amount of broccoli. And I'm going to pop this into a 400-degree oven because it's more of a roasting effect versus baking. And then the last 2 minutes, I'll, you know, sprinkle on a little bit of cheese. Alright guys, so I have my fish going in some coconut oil. And I'm going to let it cook for about 5 to 6 minutes per side. Alright guys, after 6 minutes, I flip my stick over, my fish stick. Now I'm going to start adding the lemon, the garlic. Remember, this is going to cook another 5 to 6 minutes. It's a thick piece of fish, so it's pretty hard to overcook it. The thyme. And you're just going to let it cook down. And that's pretty much it. You also want to baste your fish with the juices while, you know, once the juices start coming out of the lemon, you want to baste your fish. I'm also going to pop down some lemon juice over my fish. Okay guys, so now I'm going to sprinkle on a little bit of pepper jack cheese onto my broccoli. It won't be perfectly on there, but you know, just get it on there. This is just one of the sides to our dinner tonight. You could put this with whatever you want: mashed potatoes, brown rice, squash, all vegetables, a salad. This is just what I need to show y'all because everything else you guys have seen before. Alright you guys, so this is what the fish looks like. Like I said, I have to plate it so you guys can see it, but this is a huge fish steak, and yeah. But yeah, this is what it looks like. The broccoli is so delicious, guys. I hope you get that spice and use it. And the cheese was just a added addition. And this is the fish right here. It's so nice and juicy because of that lemon juice, the butter, the spices, the coconut oil. It's just really good. I'm gonna actually take a bite so you can see what the inside looks like. Do you see how meaty this is? Almost like chicken. This is why I added so much lemon and spices down in here, because let me see. There we go. It's perfectly tender, perfectly cooked. Okay, guys, I'll catch you on my next one. Bye, guys.